Get ready to maximize your Roblox adventure by making your game full screen and fully immersing yourself in the excitement. This guide will show you how to make your Roblox game window stretch to cover your entire screen, regardless of the device you are playing on. The fastest method to enter full screen on most computers is by using a keyboard shortcut. Find the F11 key, typically located at the top of your keyboard. Pressing F11 once will switch your Roblox game to full screen, hiding any browser toolbars or desktop icons. To exit full screen, simply press F11 again. It is that straightforward. If the F11 key does not function within your browser, or if you are playing through the official Roblox application, the process is just as simple. In some cases, you can make the Roblox window larger by clicking and dragging its edges outward. Attempt to click and hold a corner of the Roblox window and drag it outwards until it fits snugly against the screen edges. You may need to adjust it slightly to ensure it is perfectly aligned. For users on laptops or those with non-standard screen resolutions, it may be necessary to adjust your operating system's display settings. Screen scaling options can sometimes influence how applications fit on the display. On Windows, right-click on your desktop, select Display Settings, and confirm that scale and layout is set to 100% or your system's recommended scaling. This helps guarantee that all elements are displayed correctly. For Mac users, navigate to System Preferences, then Displays, and review the resolution settings. Sometimes choosing the scaled option and selecting a resolution that appears wider or a best fit can help achieve a full screen appearance. Many games within Roblox include their own dedicated full screen button. Look for an icon resembling expanding arrows or a standard full screen symbol within the game's interface. Clicking this will activate the game's internal full screen mode. By following these straightforward techniques, you can dramatically improve your Roblox gaming experience, making it more visually captivating and giving you a competitive advantage. Enhance your gameplay today.